I just found one of the easiest ways to upgrade any photo you have, and the results look so good that people keep asking me what editing app I'm using. It's called Nano Banana Pro. And in the next few minutes I will show you how to create and edit images like this and this without touching Photoshop. Nano Banana Pro is simple and free if you have a Google account. Just go to gemini.google.com and start generating images instantly. Before you create anything, there's one quick change that unlocks the Pro version. Click on the fast button, choose Think with 3 Pro, and boom, you're now in the mode that makes everything look clean, realistic and professional. Here's where it gets fun. You can upload photos of yourself, your friends or anyone you want, and Nano Banana Pro will transform them in seconds. Backgrounds, lighting, outfits, details, all the stuff that normally takes forever to edit now happens in seconds. Let me show you how easy it is. I'm uploading a normal selfie, nothing special. The kind of picture you take quickly before a meeting because you think the lighting might be okay. Let's say, make the lighting warmer, add soft cinematic contrast, keep the skin natural, and change the background to cozy coffee shop. A few seconds later it looks like a planned photo shoot. It's exactly the kind of image people post and pretend they didn't edit. One thing to avoid, don't overload the prompt. Keep it short and clear and you'll get much better results. Let's do something more fun. I'm uploading a picture of my dog staring at a slice of pizza like it's a spiritual moment. My prompt: turn this into a dramatic movie poster with glowing lights and the title, The Pizza Heist. Instantly it looks like he's starring in a Hollywood comedy. If the text is too small or the effects too strong, you don't start over. You just say, make the title bigger or tune down the glow, and it fixes it immediately. Quick bonus tip. If you want those perfect Instagram style edits, you can even use ChatGPT to generate a detailed prompt. Let's try one more. I upload a simple outdoor photo and type, enhance the sky, warm the colors, add depth, keep my face natural. It generates the image. Okay, the sky is a bit too dramatic. Let's type. Make the sky more natural, and done. No layers, sliders or editing skills required. A couple of things to remember. The free version has limited number of generations, so use them wisely. Always check your prompts because small changes matter, and Nano Banana Pro won't edit images of public figures. But once you get used to it, this tool becomes insanely useful. It makes any photo looks better, fast even if you never edited anything before. If you have any questions, drop them in the comments below. For more simple beginner-friendly AI tutorials, hit subscribe and stay tuned.